No one thought of it. China Chaosheng has actually overturned foreign giants in circuit technology. As you all know, automotive electronics. It is an important measure of the development level of a country's automotive industry. One of the signs. The heart of automotive electronics is the circuit board. So, how awesome is this thing? It is reported that Chaosheng has mastered up to 64-layer inductor coil metal hemming circuit board technology, and many have been realized. Mass production of similar coil-dense circuit boards. Its product range is also from the original 228. The multi-layer precision multi-layer circuit board has been expanded to the current 2280 floors, and he can also produce supersized special specification coil plates. In addition, he also developed a new type of low-loss high-frequency circuit board. The circuit board has a high density, low cost, low dielectric constant, low dielectric loss, and other characteristics. It can effectively improve the performance of onboard electronic systems. It can be said that China is prosperous, is growing at an alarming rate. Let the foreign giants be terrified.